Okay, alright, so this is the last video for this exercise number 1. So now you just you just wait. So now you open all those map like this one and zoom it in the same level, right? You can zoom it here. I just give like maybe 8, I think. Just see whether which one is suitable for your screen. Right, it should be like at this much. Then I'll give 7. Let's try 6. Okay, this much is good. Then just keep it somewhere. Just keep it somewhere here. This one I'll minimize it. Then this one also and this one, even this one I'll go to here. I'll zoom it at 6. Okay, now that one. Then this one, this one. Sorry about that. And this one. Alright, just zoom at 6. Now we'll go to this new layout, right? This one. Then you just click here, okay. Then you will see like this thing will come out, this thing will pop up, and you just go to page setup and change it into landscape. Here it's better to give A4 size, because if we are printing, we're going to print it in A4 size. So this is the landscape version, right? And I'll just zoom it a bit. Okay, I'll zoom it right for screen. Okay, or I can just go here. Then now you see for this one I'll select this one because I have to bring it somewhere there. Okay, then because right now even this space over here is filled actually. So now I'm going how to make it invincible. So you just go here, just give here none, and the style also none. Alright, then you just press OK. Then you just carry a bit that side, and here also you double click here and give the size. Okay, for here I give to resize frame, then I'll give 0.8 for me. Alright, so you just check whatever size you want. You can increase, you can decrease by typing here. Right, then you just go OK. So this is actually my polygon, then I'll put in the last. And this one is just reduce this one, this much. Then you can give your own size or your own style over here, right? Then for adding the next we'll add the next map by going in this frame. You see this frame over here. Then I'll just open here. Then this one is my polygon actually, what you see back there. So now I need to open the line. So my line is actually this one, you see, on title line. Then I'll press here. Then here, remember, I give 0.8. Then I'll give OK. Then I'll click on this arrow, I'll select it. I'll tell you to make this field make this space to go like invisible. So here we are going to make the space invisible, no fill, and the styles are none. So now you see. Okay, right, now you can just carry it. I think the size is, you can go to press control, and at the same time the arrow go down and just see make sure you see the size is aligning perfectly the border. So that means you arrange it at this level. When it perfectly match, you just press control and shift it to the right, alright, so that everything will be in the same line. Because if you do it manually by hand, it might not work perfectly. So you just do it by pressing control and using this different direction. So when that is done, I'll add the legend over here. Alright, then the theme, the legend, my legend for this poly, for this is line. this one right here, then I press OK, then I will use this one, then select it, then resize it, reframe. All right, then you do for the point the same way, using the frame, then the size, then doing this filling. All right, that's 3 point, remember. Okay, now we are going to do for scale, because we have to keep a scale over here. So you just minimize this one, just go to file, open, and you just open a new topo sheet. All right, this is my topo sheet, and you just give to new mapper. Right, new mapper, you just open it. This one also you just give full space and zoom it the same level how much you zoom the other. Remember, I think I zoom it around 6. All right, this much is how much I zoom those others. Remember, if you change the zooming, like if you just change a bit, then it will mess up. All right, so make sure like after zooming, then don't press any zoom in, zoom out, and minimize it directly, and don't move, or I mean like don't even try to modify anything. Right now you go to the tools and you go to tool manager, because we are searching for scale. All right, so here you search for scale, which is this one, scale bar. You just tick it, load it, auto load it, then press OK. Right, then you'll see a pop-up tool over here. So this is actually the one, this 4. So me, I have keep it here. So now you just press in this draw scale bar, and you just press here, and you just give kilometers. All right, then you press OK. Then now you are going to disappear this one, right, this one. Then you just save this one. So for this scale, you just make sure to save it in cosmetic, save as cosmetic object. Right, then you just save it, then you just write here scale. All right, that one is done. And don't zoom in, zoom out. Remember, always keep your zooming level as it is. Then just just minimize it. And this is my layout. I'll full screen it, then I'll add the scale. Now my scale is, I name it scale. Remember, this one C. Then this one I told you 0.8, right? Yeah, so this is the one. So you can just select it. Yeah, see, now it's fill. So I told you to unfill it, make it invisible by doing that. See, now it's not fill, right? So you just carry it somewhere down. Where you want to keep it, you just, that depends up to your will. All right, so for now just keep it here. So you just double click again, make sure that this one is 0.8, double check. All right, double check. So this one is done. Yeah, that one is, yeah, it's pretty much done now. I mean, like after you add this one from your own, then now you add, for adding that border, remember, you can just select, use this triangle over here, then just select, actually you cannot see it, then you just go to arrow, then you just select somewhere here. Yeah, you see, now it's selecting. Then you just go to this again and fill this one. Don't fill it, I mean, just give the border. Okay, you give straight one, then you change the pixel according to your wish, and there you go, you see. And now you have to write those name over here. You can write it by using this font over here, text. Then you just write, thematic or whatever you write. Then when you need to write another place, then just shift it, then again shift it. If you need to select this, right, you can just always use this arrow, select it, delete it, or select it, modify it, whatever you want. All right, for writing, I think this is it. There's nothing else. Yeah, I think yeah, this is it. Then for printing, you can print it here. I guess you all know, just print it here. All right, and for writing, you can just see from there are some maps which is being circulated, and just see from there, copy the writing. Right, so there's that much it for this video. Thank you.